Hey everybody, not long ago I was stuck in bed with a back injury and I was so bored while recovering. So I gathered up a bunch of my favorite beads from John Bead and I made some beautiful crocheted necklaces. John Bead is hands down my favorite bead company, and this is a great project to use up all those leftover beads from all the other projects that you've made. Plus, if you like to start your holiday gift making early, this is the project for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new visitor here and press the notification bell. And if you're an old friend, pop into the comments and say hello. All right, let's make some crocheted jewelry. One of the earliest productions of glass beads has been traced to the ancient Egyptians. Remains of a thriving glassworks industry dates back to 1365 BC. It's thought that crochet probably developed from ancient Chinese needlework, though the origins of crochet is not known. I switched crochet hooks in the middle of this project because the wax cord was tricky to work with, and I found that this steel hook was, well, more hooky, if that's a word. The Boy Needle Company produced the first complete line of American-made steel crochet hooks in 1917, and each hook sold for a nickel. It wasn't until 1923 that the first aluminum hooks appeared. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. Tons of jewelry in there. And I will see you next week. Bye.